In this video, I'll show you how to manually change your IP address on iPhone when you're blocked or need to reconnect with a different address. Go to Settings and tap Wi-Fi. Make sure you're connected to your network, then tap the small I icon next to your connected Wi-Fi network name to open the network details. Write down your current IP address, subnet mask, and router address exactly as they appear. Write this down because you'll need them. Scroll down and tap Configure IP. Change it from automatic to manual. This allows you to enter your own IP address instead of letting the router assign one automatically. Enter your subnet mask and router address exactly as they were before. For the IP address, keep everything the same except change the last number. Tap Save to apply your new IP settings. Your iPhone will reconnect to the network with your new IP address. Test your connection by opening Safari on any app that uses internet to make sure everything works properly. And you've successfully changed your IP address on iPhone.